Hey everyone, it's Lish here coming to you from the 412. That's me. We are going to draw today's deck or card from the deck and see what the universe has in store for us. I apologize for how I look because kind of skipped a little bit of my morning, just a little bit of my morning regimen, but it's all right. Here we go. Let's look for a card. Let's get a good one. I want something. I don't know what my body needs, but I want something. Let's see. I think I'm gonna draw from here. Okay, so we have Anahatanasana, extended puppy or heart chakra pose. And this is a back bend. Look at that. All right, I'm going to draw cards from the deck for completing this pose. There's actually quite a lot, and I'll see you in a moment.